Whatever your career or business, work smarter and not harder with the help of Excel. Make the most of the filter tool, which allows you to find rows of data which have something in common, including a text value, a numeric or data range. Did you know, once filtered, data can be copied and pasted to another location or edited? And you can also filter by more than one column to further reduce the subset of data. To filter data, click on the filter icon on the Data tab. This will automatically put a filter arrow beside each of your column headings. Click on the filter arrow beside the column you wish to filter on. This will display a menu with a list of all the values which exist in that column. Untick the Select All option at the top of the list, and then tick the values you want to display. With numeric data, you can search for numeric ranges. Use the number filter option on the filter menu to select how you wish to define your range. For example, greater than. There are many options available on date filters to help you quickly search for a date range. For example, yesterday, last month. Text filters allow you to search for partial values in a text string. This is very useful when you do not have the full spelling of an address or surname. It is helpful when working with codes and you need to find rows which have part of the code in common. For example, a list of postcodes starting with BT15. Use the text filters option on the filter for the column header. Choose Column Filter and click on the type of filter you need, for example, begins with. Enter the value and click on OK to perform the filter. To understand more about your customer or clients, analysis is a specific time frame or report on figures, let the filter tool work with you. For more useful tools, techniques and tips you can use today, find out more about our Excel training programs.